Guys, what happened to crypto this week? What? Are you guys like me and you woke up and you went, WTF? Why is crypto down? Why is it red? Don't you worry. We're going to get into it in this episode on Blockchain Brew, the Saturday special. I'm excited to be here. Hope you guys are. Had a pretty good cup of coffee. Got me a good brew right here. Went to the store and bought myself some groceries. And now it's time to dive into the scary stuff. You know, I got my 2 kids. I got my 3 kids. Oh my gosh, I lost count of them. Huh? Well, Ezekiel's is eating a banana. Boston's gonna eat some fried chicken legs, and so is Christian. This season, they'll be good. They're gonna watch. We got Angel Network, and they're gonna be watching David, one of those fun God movies, biblical. So yeah. All right, guys, here we go.
In crypto, speed matters, but trust matters more. At Caleb & Brown, you're never on your own. We connect you with your own personal broker and a 24/7 team, ready to help you buy, sell, or swap over 250 digital assets with one flat, transparent fee. No spreads, no slippage, no hidden costs. Get the best market prices through deep, aggregated liquidity executed by our professional trading desk. Your funds are secured with institutional-grade cold storage for total peace of mind. Track every move in real time with our intuitive client portal, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're trading as an individual, trust, or business, we give you speed, security, and peace of mind. Thousands of clients in over 100 countries already trust Caleb & Brown. Visit calebandbrown.com and start your personalized crypto journey today.
Financial decisions. This show is created and meant for entertainment purposes only. So thank you everybody for tuning in. What's up, guys? Welcome into another episode of Blockchain Brew Show. I am your host today because Trent Nato, he is at a brewathon, man. He's drinking all sorts of good pilsners and double hazy IPAs and having a good old time. You can go over there and hit him up. But before we get started, please smash that golden like button, guys. You know, if you want the markets to go up, this is what you got to do, man. Get this channel out there so we can try to help do our part in getting those markets turn green. We have the subscribe bell right here, guys. Your ring-a-ding-ding and your ring-a-ding-ding, guys. And with that bell, you can find us over there on YouTube and over here on Kick and Rumble. We'll go all natural over there. Seems like we got our Rumble problems all sorted out today, so everything looks good, man. Besides the fact it's a red day, if you were like me and you woke up at 10 a.m., sleeping in, and you went to look at your phone and you noticed you had like 10 notifications, Bitcoin dropping, you're going, what the heck is going on? So we're gonna get after it, guys. So everybody knows we're the most hydrated crypto community out in the whole entire internet. Is my hat crooked? Yeah, it is a little crooked. Here's my glasses. I can't ever tell. It's one or the other, guys. Let's get a little ASMR pop going in here. Get my fingernails under it. Boom, ASMR pop. And what I'm rocking today is Fort George Pizza and Pals IPA. I actually really like this flavor. It's a really good flavor. Kind of makes me think of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles style pizza art. So, hey, cheers to Fort George, guys. And cheers to everybody in crypto who's licking their wounds today. Crypto's crypto, I guess, sometimes. All right, let's get after it. Throw some stuff on the screen, kind of see where we're at in the whole markets. We'll probably cover more charts today because there ain't a whole lot of news, I don't think. I think it just went down for the sake of going down, unless I missed something. I mean, government shutdown, right? I guess that's kind of newsworthy. Everything red, you know, Pepe down 12%, Litecoin down 10%, XRP down 6.5%, Bitcoin down 7%, Will Liberty running into a 13-cent level, Rivers down another 25%. I mean, had all these gains and gave them all back. We were at $84, and now we're back down to 26. Bitcoin Cash down 10%. So we down 11.4. So we running at $1.12. Crypto.com running at 7 cents, 7.7. Man, Knight's coming down too. Knight's running about right around 4.5 cent level. Ouch, guys. Ouch, ouch, ouch. The markets have been bloody. I'm gonna head over to Cointelegraph. Tell the truth and see if there is any actually news. Here's what happened in crypto today. You know, we didn't have a whole lot of longs get liquidated because they all been trying to recoup their losses and come back, right? Ether sell off leaves Bitmine facing billings and unrealized losses. Well, that's fine. I mean, Tom Lee knows what he was doing, though. That being said, he thought and he wasn't going to drop below 4K. And I was like, dude, I don't know, man. I don't know where you got that. Tom Lee's carrying more than $6 billion in unrealized losses on his Ether holdings following the latest wave of market liquidations. The losses grew after Bitmine acquired 40,000 Ethereum last week, lifting its total holdings to 4.24 million ETH. According to the data at DropStab, at current prices, well, Marco Sejo's in that same boat too. At current prices, the company Ether balance is valued around 9.6 billion, down from the peak of about 13.9, which is actually, you know, quite a bit of loss, but not fast, you know. In October, Ether's decline towards 2,300 was driven by part of a fragile liquidity condition. Markets commentary from the Kiyobosi letter pointing to high leverage, crowded positions, and the fact amplifying the sell-off. Oh, this is the Bitmine ETH strategy portfolio. Oh, that's really interesting. I might have to start pulling this up just so I can find it more. You could literally find this. That's on X. I might pull that up. U.S. Treasury sanctions Iran-linked crypto exchanges for the first time. I don't think this is that big of a deal. Liquidations knock off Bitcoin of the world's top 10 assets. Yeah, I could believe that. I mean, there was some big liquidations happening right there. Bitcoin's sharp reversal this week has pushed outside world's 10 largest asset market. Oh, I forgot to turn my comments on. What's up, Flat Smack? How you doing, brother? How was your weekend, dude? It's been wild today, man. Absolutely wild. I was just saying I woke up at 10 a.m. I was like, dude, what happened, man? I went to bed at midnight. I was feeling okay. And I wake up at 10 a.m. and I'm like, dude, what the hell? Bitcoin's market capitalization peaked at 2.5 trillion in October when prices briefly topped of 126,000. We were thinking that was the top, guys. Go back and watch. The latest sell-off was driven by about 1.6 billion in long liquidations as prices rapidly fell to below 82,000 from near 90,000. I don't know. I think October 10th it did that to 100,000. The first move was reunited. Consensus of the world's largest cryptocurrency may be early stages of prolonged bear market. Yeah, I think they're right, man. I think they're right. I thought they might have something about, you know, oh weird, they covered that twice. I thought they would have something about the government shutdown, but apparently that's not on their priority list. All right. We'll head over to X and head over the charts. There's not a whole lot going on, I don't think, on X. We might not even head over to X, to be honest with you. I'll just get into the charts. That's what everybody wants, right? We can shout out to JJ real quick. Guys, if you haven't already, go follow JJ's Cryptic Corner, man. He's a good YouTuber, good crypto analyst, and he loves talking, man. Kraken Acquisition Corp unit. New Kraken-backed Kraken Acquisition Corp raised $345 million upsized NASDAQ IPO, creating a new SPAC vehicle reused on future deals for digital assets. Crack Acquisitions. That's good, man. I do like that. I do like the ticker. Julie kicks ass too, man. If you haven't already, go follow Julie. Jocks and Julie. Sam Price over here was live today at 8 a.m. Ready for this BTC dump. I've even gained a perfect short trade. I will be live tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern for the monthly candle close. Oh, is that today? Oh, my goodness. Is that today? It is today, isn't it? Oh, goodness gracious. When is that? Are we close to that, huh? Oh, man. I didn't even realize that. We are close to that. Yeah, 50 minutes. Holy cow. We have 50 minutes till the monthly close. All good, man. Bought some Bitcoin today. Hey, that's good. Good thing. UFC fight, you should be good. Hey, I'll show you in a second. Eeyore, man, I'm holding and ain't selling. You got it, John. I ain't holding and ain't selling too. Imagine when people who bought BTC in 2008 and sold in 2025. Bro, I know, man. The same thing, man. Just got to hold, dude. Can't let them scare us out. I got to at least do a minimum 50-minute stream because I gotta cover this. Is there an ad? I'll come back to it in a second. Flat smack. I was gonna show you. Where am I at? Okay. I'm back into Trading View. What is Bitcoin doing right now? 78,000. Did we wick to 75? I thought I saw 76, but oh yeah, 75,000. Woof. Woof. Bloody, man. You know what we should do is go to CoinGlass and see the liquidations. That's what I'm kind of curious about. We're gonna cover that before we get the charts, because this just seems important to me. You guys see that when I actually do that? No, you don't see it. Oh, okay. When I actually right click, and then pulls up the little menu right there. So Bitcoin on Binance. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that, dude. They literally clobbered it, dude, all the way back down to 75,494 on Binance. Oh, holy smokes, guys! This is Binance's fault, right? I'm just kidding. That's what everybody always says. Binance is responsible. I mean, they are probably responsible for a good chunk of a lot of this, the October 10th stuff. I could see that. Wow, dude. I mean, it really came down. There wasn't even any liquidity down here. Look at that. Like, what the heck are they going after? This is the 3-day. Holy smokes. Go to the weekly. Even the weekly longs, there's no liquidity down there. I mean, we have to go pretty far back to see some sort of positions. Let's go back a month. Dude, even the month, there's nothing down here. Where? Were they just people compounding, trying to catch some good longs? Whew. Holy smokes, dude. That's 3 months of liquidity. Dude, there's nothing down there. Like, what possessors could go that low? I'm going to go back a year. Oh, my goodness. These poor fellas over here who put these positions in thought they were on top of the world, man, which they were up pretty high up over here. Oh, dude, yeah, dude, look at that double top. We knew it. That's overdone. So, ooh, there it goes, man. Hey, what's up, Daniel? Yeah, it's my first beer of the day. Here it is, coming in for the monthly close. We got pizza, and Pizza and Pals from Fort George. Keep the dream alive. Absolutely, man. How's my channel doing? I'm getting old, man. Sort. What do we got going on, man? He's been okay. He's been cool, John. At least so far. Yesterday, he was going a little deep, but hey, man, maybe he was drinking too. What's this? Liquidation, max pain. Should we take a look at this? Okay, let's do it. I still haven't quite figured out how to read this one yet, but I mean, that looks like max pain. It says 100% liquidation longs, 100% on ETH. I really don't understand this. I wish that CoinGlass had like some sort of way to explain how some of these tools work. Nice. I'm thinking about mine here too. Mine here, you drinking too? You're such a badass. So I was on one. Don't judge, bro. Hey, it's okay, man, Daniel. I've had some pretty nasty liquidations in my life, and it screwed me up, dude. It screwed me up. Daniel and Coffin, and one of your things, I had a moment like that in my life, dude. I went down to Seattle and I picked up my car from the detailer, and I was driving back, and I had a box truck sideswipe my Challenger. Just got detailed, cleaned, waxed outside, the whole thing, and just like ripped my front fender. Oh my gosh, dude! And I took a picture of the truck that hit me, and I drove to the nearest Jack in the Box. I'm in Seattle, dude. The homeless people there, and hey, everyone plug your ears, okay? Because I shouldn't be saying this because it's bad, but I was like, fuck, I just picked it up, fuck. And the homeless guy's over there on the block looking He's like, I don't know what's going on with that guy. He's having a bad day. It's funny now, I can laugh about it, but man, I was so bummed, bro. From the dealership, I picked it. It was just detailed and cleaned and dude, waxed. It looked so good. And I got this picture of it, you know, the damage. My car, it looks immaculate, but the front, when it got hit. Oh my gosh, dude. Seahawks are your team? Oh yeah, man, I'm rooting for the Hawks. You know, I'm down in Seattle. Go Seahawks, man. I think it'll be a good game. I saw that we had somebody had an ankle injury. Oh, flat smack. See if I can show you. Oh, see, look. See, I'm watching it. It's right there. It's playing. It's playing right now. He's talking about the UFC, you know. Dude, I'm all about it. Now they got it on Paramount, dude. Hell yeah, I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna be a big UFC guy now, man. I gotta get my camera back up. Sorry. Yeah, dude. I paid for the whole year for like $100, like $111, and there's like no commercials, no ads for like the regular stuff. And I got the UFC, dude. Hell yeah, I'm a Lopez guy though. Come on, Lopez, beat his ass. I can't remember the guy's name. Like I couldn't mess up his first name. His last name's like Volkanovski, I believe it is. And I think he won last time. This is a rematch. Yeah, let's go, man. It's gonna be a good day. So Bitcoin, well, Max Payne, man, Max Payne, double green dots we got going on for us. Momentum is coming in a little bit. I haven't taken a look at the longer time frames, but that looks pretty good. Weakness to the downside, which I mean, weakness, it's going up, and it showed like pressure to the downside to make that trigger wave, and that's the weakness that we had, but it denied it. So it's saying it like it doesn't have a lot of strength. I'm trying to be able to explain my thoughts. So this looks actually looking pretty good, like it will continue. So I'd be eyeballing a possible run to 80,000. That's what I'm kind of looking at. Stokes are good. The money flow is green good. Green money flow is red, but like the green is good. That means we're bullish. Strength kind of flatty. What's the 5 minute say? The 5 minute says money flow has been coming in. Red wave's been shrinking. VWAP saying there's a little bit of retest going on with this 21 where we're kind of farting around with. We could be making a bull flag on the 5 minutes. This is a very short time frame, but we could be maybe pulling down. You got this little bit of going on here. It's trying to kind of break out of that flag. If we could break out of this flag, you know, boop, we'll plan to right back up 79,000. That's a little bit. That's pretty good. An hour. We could be at 79,000. Yeah, I could take that. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. I gotta rate some stuff here. Man, if you guys were trading early in the morning, like when I was sleeping, should have been trading. Double green dot right here. I mean, you could have really caught that if you really want to take that chance. But those are the scariest things, trying to catch those falling knives, man. I like to get my confirmation in. We had the double green dot. Momentum's actually peaking harder than it was previously over here. I want to see it get a little bit lower past this little bit of wave. But I would take a long position on this. That, you know, I thought last night, you guys, you heard me. I ain't no jackwagon. I thought we would go to 87,000 before we came down lower. I said live, man. You know, go back, rewind it. Where were we at? Just so you guys know where I was looking at last night. Where were we? Were we back over here? This is the 30th. I can't remember exactly what time it was. How was that? We'll go over to 1 hour. I don't really like the 1 hour though. I think we were right over here. Look at that, just it fell off, man, so hard. I was hoping we kind of get a little higher. I thought we might break this a little bit of support and kind of bounce up over here. That's what I was looking at. I said 86,600 and then reject and then would dump. But apparently we just decided to dump pretty aggressively too and quick. And you know, sometimes that happens, man. Did this red dot come in on the show? This red dot on the momentum? I don't remember seeing that. I think I was looking back a couple candles over here, you know, and just looked away, didn't go back. Need more alerts set. Coming over the daily time frame, dude. I've been saying, dude, I've been all full on. I said 87,000 yesterday. I said 87,000, and we'll be continuing our bearish sentiment. Just so everybody knows, we have been bearish on the show since September, October range. So, 2 days still open doors to the downside. You know, still in this pain area. We're still hanging on to this. We haven't fully broken out of this little trend pattern. As you can see right here, we're kind of in this little bit zone, but man, I've been eyeballing, dude, this range right here. Best case scenario, 70,000. Can I grab right here? Oh, nice. Worst case scenario, you know, we're eyeballing 56,000. I'm kind of in this little bit of range right here. I kind of hit in the middle. So, you know, you never always land on the top. You never quite land on the bottom, very rarely. So hit the middle, would say 63,000. I said 63,000 on, was it in the Discord today or is it an X? One of them, I think I did both, you know. I need like a platform that connects everything. So I just post once and it goes there, and then I go to that platform and then it shows all my replies. Like, okay, I can see this is on X, this is on Discord, and I can just match up and reply to like that. That'd be nice. Oh yeah, you know, kind of bearish, man. I just don't think we're done. I like to say we are done. You know, 15 minute doesn't look that bad. 15 minute looks okay. Like a move up to, what do we say, 79,000, but more pain to go. More pain to go. I wonder where DZ's at. I wonder if DZ's trading THQ. I hope THQ is doing the opposite, but I you know, let's take a look at THQ for DZ, and then we'll head over to the Daniel conference. We'll take a look at Dash too. THQ. Oh gosh, it's just with everything else dumped in, dude. It's down to 3 cents. Oh man, poor DZ. Yeah, because he was hoping that it would come back up. He wanted 4.5. I think he said he was going to hold it. He bought it at 4.5, someplace back here. And I was like, I don't know, man. I would probably get out. He's looking bearish. And damn, bro, I hate when I'm right. It's when I don't want to be. And it's showing weakness to the upside, just nasty. It still wants to go down. VWAP's not good. Stokes are green. Okay, fine. We give it that. They'll love to beat up real hard, but it doesn't look good, man. Especially we're heading to that bearish sentiment section. Hit my little refresh button. Did we get the likes up to the watchers? Yeah, we're close, guys. We're close. Let's take a look at Dash, guys. You guys, I need to put a poll in here. What coin should we look at next? You know, what coin should we look at next? Take a look at Squid Grow, or not Squid Grow, but Squid. I'm gonna pull up Dash. We're gonna pop up poll, chat like polls. You guys UFC fans? I gotta look up how to spell that guy's name, because I'm not gonna spell it right if I put it in here. UFC main card. Okay, yeah, Volkanovski. I knew I said his name right. Who's going to win tonight in UFC? UFC. Who's taking the title? We're going to do Volkanovski because he's holding his belt. I got to look over. We go Olkan. I don't think I spelled it right again. Volkanovski. There we go. And then Lopez. That's so much easier. Lopez. All right. Boom, baby. Let's see what everyone's thinking. See what everybody's thinking. All right, I'm gonna close this thingy out. We're gonna go take a look at Bubbles. Hello, doggo. We are going to look at Dash, man. Dash has been on the dumps, dude. On the 1 hour, just terrible, man. Just terrible. We were talking about it yesterday, the continued momentum to the downside, and it did play out. We were eyeballing this zone. It literally came down exactly where we thought it was coming. Is the pain over with? There is some signs that we could get a light bounce. I say light, I mean, we have a good green dot right here, and it didn't get anything, but it looks like we're just about to get another one. Money outflow has still been pretty aggressive. The VWAP is trying to break up right now, which is going to probably give us confirmation just very soon that we're going to get a green dot on this 35-minute. So hopefully we can get that pump. Stokes are green. I mean, that's okay. Strength good. That's just what the 4 hour says. The 1 hour shows there is some sort of momentum coming into Dash at the moment. I don't know how strong this pump will be, but there is some signs of the VWAP breaking up. Stokes doing good. The 4 hour looks okay. The 15-minute looks like it's holding. Money flow's been coming in. VWAP's looking good. Like there does show that there is a pump coming in for a dash. I kind of like the 15-minute pump that we have currently. That wick was pretty nasty though. I mean, that wick does look like a bottom. The 5-minute, you know, I like how this big fat candle continuation where we left off. Money flow, yeah, this looks pretty good. I think there's a pump coming in right now. A relief rally pump. So we'll see where it ends up right now. Money outflow has not bottomed yet on the 6 hour. So just right now, the 1 hour, 4 hour, 15-minute look good. And those are the shorter time frames. Now, if I'm wrong, which does happen, guys, more often than you think, we will be eyeballing, you know, $37 range for Dash. And that breaks that zone. We have a 33 price level on the table. What's up, Francisco? I'm looking to 58 Solana. That when it will be accumulating and staking majority of it. You think we should take a look at Solana? I didn't have $58 on my table, which is actually kind of funny because I have a palindrome on your 58 because I was thinking 85, but I actually haven't charted it. I was just talking to a gentleman. Oh, I just moved that stupid line yesterday about this. I thought the whole market was going down. I was training him on a route. He's a good guy. And we were talking about Solana. Dude, it did wick down to that 200 though on the daily on Dash. I do like that. I like the fact that it wicked to the 200 on the daily. Don't like that the momentum hasn't clipped yet, but that doesn't say it won't or it can, you know. So hopefully we can get that momentum reversing. Let's take a look at Solana, guys. My little dog was over here. You a good boy, Des. My dog name's Des. When I first got him, his name's Destroy. But Thor Ragnarok just came out, and that guy guarding the bridge is like, he has 2 AR-15s. He's like, this is Des, and this is Destroy. Can't remember that gentleman's name, but he plays in Lord of the Rings too. Is the horse rider, the Theoden's nephew. Solana, Bifana, Fafana, Fanana. Let's go, Solana. Dude, it went up 6, so ouch. Ouch, Solana coming down, bro. Oof. Taking my sip. Oof, dude, it's about to break. Do that daily. Oof. Solana's looking gross, bro. I do see some sort of support at 85. Did it wick to 96 today? Is that what that wick said? Sorry, I know I totally zoomed out. It wicked to 96 today? Oh my gosh. Gosh dang, bro. And you think 80, 58? This little pocket, dude. You know, we could hit 44. I'm calling it right now, guys. On January 31st, 2026, $44 I think could be the bottom. Now, I'm not saying that it is the bottom. Just saying, the worst case scenario, that's the bottom. Oh my goodness gracious. This is also a strong level right here at 85. The reason why we think that is a strong level is because we got this little bit of support we got coming in right here. We got a little bit right here. Miss Amelia, thank you for coming on in. Yep, $58 definite, dude. That's pretty nasty looking right now. I have a gentleman calling me right now. They always seem to call me when I'm streaming. I'm like, guys, you know when I stream, right? I do this every single Saturday. But, you know, it's the stream I actually didn't plan. I actually was thinking about doing one earlier, but it works out because we get in the monthly close today. Oh, my goodness gracious. Great balls of fire. Dude, 30 minutes left till we get the close. Nasty, man. 109 on Soul. 108 still looks like it could go down more. 12 hour, 6 hour. You know, I actually like Dash when I like looking at Solana. It hasn't really shown like the ball's deep strength, you know. So 1 hour, got double green dot momentum coming in. VWAP needs to come up more. Stokes look good. Strength looks good. The 1 hour actually looks okay, man, for a long position. I would take a shot at that, but it's not a deep long. You know, I'm only long in it for like maybe $5. Maybe $5. Dude, we usually, you know, we pump into the close. Where are we going on the 5 minute? I might throw a long in. Might. I'm taking a look. See. A quick little scalp, man. Should I throw a quick little scalp in? I don't know. It's 15 minutes doesn't look bad. GIG, what's up, bro? Let's go take a look at Teddy Bear. That's my next one. Heard of user on Solana? I'm assuming that's what you meant to say, user, or are you saying user on Solana? I have not. Let me know if I'm saying that correctly, because I'm not sure. I'm not. I take it back. Taking it back. U.S. oil reserve. I have not heard of that on Solana. What company is doing that? What company? Tell me. Fill me in, because this is something that should be important. Pay attention to it. It's one of the reasons why Solana is going to be so hot. Yeah, Teddy fell with the rest of everything out there, you know, but we are getting a power pump coming in on the 1 hour money flow sticking up. You also looking good. Stokes so low, strength coming up. Let's get after it, man. 1 hour. 1 hour. What did I say 1 hour before? I meant 15 minutes. Excuse my brain. Hyped up meme point in my opinion, but it's hot right now. Well, what's it called? Is it literally just called USOR? Is that literally what it's called? You know, the 1 hour on Teddy does look pretty good, man. That does look like a potential bottom. So maybe it actually is. 4 hours not looking terrible. It's not looking splendid. But, you know, maybe a scalp in here. USOR, yep. All right, let's pull it up, man. Let's take a look. I have not heard of that. USOR. Why did it not? USOR. USOR. Overhyped meme point. How do I find it? GIG. USOR. I'm not sure how do I locate it. I would have figured trading you would have had it right off the get-go. That's another one we haven't taken a look in a while, John, is Zabek. Whew. I want to see a blown out version of Zabek. Oh man, dude. Yeah, this is when you told us about it, I think, over here, right, John? Yeah, that's back in October. Yeah, we were in that bilateral triangle. We wanted to snap out of it. I don't know why I just didn't see it, but we will break down. I think maybe I did. Maybe I did break down. See it. We're getting really close together. Red dot to the downside. It looks like it's coming down lower, John. I would not be surprised if Zabek comes down to. I don't know. Let's say. What, dog? What? Oh, goodness. I have to let my wife come get her doggos. See if she's around. Okay. 1 second. I gotta get the dogs. 1 second. Doggos, man. Deck screen it. All right, cool. We got that. All right, we got deck screen it. This is a pump for Dash. It does look like it's a relief rally. Definitely coming in Dash. Dash looks better than I think Solana looks. But everything kind of looks like it having a little bit of relief rally. But Dash seems more prevalent to having it. Oh, thanks for putting that in there. You know, it's kind of interesting, though. I gotta figure out. YouTube censors automatically censors addresses. Do you know where Kick is at? Maybe you can put it on Kick. I bet you Kick doesn't censor it. Or Rumble. Rumble wouldn't censor it either. We're live over there. Dash crashed as well. Yeah, it did. So before I jump over, I'm trying to eyeball like the bottom. Yeah, the bottom probably of Zabek is probably 0016. So just think about that, I guess. Really. maybe a relief rally could be in the cards. It's just we broke below the 200 MA, back in November. Not super great. 1 second, guys. The family's calling. Something's going on. I'm gonna pull up the address though while I'm talking. You don't hear me talking. I'm gonna go pull up this USOR. Yellow. That's family, guys. God, you have to be happy, man. When you got family to hang out with you, and dude, it's awesome. I love family, man. And we got see, you did not get censored on Kick. I got you. Thank you. Hey, GIG, I'm assuming that's you. Can you? I actually really dig that name, dude. I could read the Don, but I like how it looks. It looks cool. So I copied it. We're going to go over back to Dex Screener. If you want to, you should follow me on Kick. I mean, assuming they're both the same. I bet you I found it. What do you guys think about the Epstein files? You guys seen any of them come out? Man, those have been kind of wild. All right, cool. Whoa, look at that wick. Holy smokes. This is the 15-minute. Dude, maybe it used to be hot. That wick, dude, he gave it all back. Who was that? 15 seconds ago. Who sold that? I want to know about that. Let's go wick. We go back. Excuse me. That was 9:15. Oh man, I don't know if I can scroll that fast. It does have volume though, which is good. Volume is definitely dumping. Holy cow. People are beast. I don't know if I can scroll that far back. Top traders, KOLs, holders, top traders, transactions. I don't know. What's Bubble Map say? Is it bundled? I'm assuming this is the bundle thing. It does have some bundles to it. That guy holds a large supply. Whoever this is, this guy's got a large supply. This guy's not too bad. It doesn't look that bundled. This one looks pretty bundled. This guy right here. Woo, look at this guy. He has all these wallets tied to this coin. He's got money spread all out. He doesn't think anybody's jacking him. Okay. I don't know how to tell. Someone bought. Oh, look at that guy. That's a big buy. $1,500. Oh no, that's not $1,500. That's 33 cents. I'll take it back. That's not that big a buy. I thought it was $1,500. My bad. This guy bought $100. This guy. There's a lot of buys coming in. $33 buy, $50 buy. There's a $200 sell. That was a nasty one. That probably would push us down. Or this down. $1,000 sell. Another $1,000 sell. That's a lot. Look, somebody's dumping. Look, 163.10. I saw that a couple different times. That 163.10. Where's that? There's two. What's the odds of those two wallets being connected? There's two 138s. Oh, look at that. One of those bundles just dumped. Did you guys see that? Oh my goodness, there was a bundle that just dumped all at once. That was nasty. My beloved $1 million wife is here. Guys, 1 second. I need to take care of something. Sorry, guys. I'm back. Sometimes, man, life just throws you a bunch of rocks. I just gotta throw them outside. The dog was being bad. You know, the dog jumped on the kids' tray and ate the pizza off the kids' tray. You know, the doggos knew there was food out there. They could smell it. Oh, yeah. Sometimes you got to be the dad. Got to be the bad guy. So, hey, I've never heard of this before. But I do like the fact that, you know, if it's tokenized oil, it'd be kind of cool. I guess we'll have to kind of wait and see how it plays out. I don't usually buy super micro caps, but we'll keep an eye on it. U.S. oil right there, baby. We shall see. 6 hours down, 1 hour down 21%. 5 minutes down 12%. Up 24 hours though. There was a pretty good sized buy. Couple $100. Yeah, man. All right, we're gonna come back over here. I was looking at Zebek, and one thing that I didn't see, what I noticed over there, was it isn't a falling wedge, bro, and it does look like it's getting tight. The question is how long. You know, this is the 1 day chart, so we can really stretch this bad boy out, and we can really say if this is the bottom. Well, I guess you can really say it could be breaking down out of it. Oh, man, I really hope it doesn't. I hope it doesn't break down, man. Kaya, no. Looks like it's gonna go down more. I gotta see. Bless me. Oh my goodness. I am sorry. What a show. What a bizarre random event show. I don't think I've ever had to press pause so much. Between phone calls calling and family and dogs eating pizza and kids being wild. We have 5 votes, man. Everybody's thinking Volkanovski. I'm voting for Lopez, though. I think Volkanovski will win the UFC, but I'm hoping Lopez. He just looks like a fun character to vote for. Oh my goodness! Look at Hedera, guys. Any of you guys Hedera fans? Holy shnikes! It's down so bad, bro. Oh my goodness, dude. Hedera eyeballing the 7-cent level. 7 cent as a bottom. Oh my goodness. Where would we go to today? Today we went to 8.3. Gross. Gross. Sunday we are going to have a small pump. Then Monday most like a PU like a PU pump and dump. Francisco, man. Why are you shadow banned? You're shadow banned right now, Francisco. I can only see your comments on StreamYard. I don't even see you that. Yeah, you're shadow banned right now. 344. Your comment has not came through on YouTube. Shadow ban, Francisco. They shadow banned you. Doji candle on the 4-hour. Possible trend reversal. I like the VWAP coming up. Yeah, this is good. I think we're in the middle of a pump. Yeah, look at the 1 hour. That's strong. Oh, look at that. I like how there's momentum too. It ate deeper than any of these waves over here. It's actually in deeper. I like that. That's a good sign for that. This pump's gonna play out. Looking at the depth of this momentum wave compared to this one, this is a serious wave coming in. Yeah, it's probably coming back up. I think it might come back up to the 200. Let's get back up to the 10-cent level. Let's get after it, guys. You know what I mean? You can't let this stuff beat you down. Take your eyes off it for 1 second. Oh, you know what? Also, the strength of Stokes are curving around too. Look at that little boop. The VWAP has not confirmed anything. There's the money flow. We just got a little bit of green, a little bit of curvature we got going on. Okay. Hopefully we can flip and get a double green dot. That'd be nice. I just can't wait, dude. 13 minutes and we get this candle. I'm excited to get this monthly close. Let's take a look. You know what we didn't look at yesterday? I wanted to look at the silver. Oh gosh. Dang, man. These are hiking as she's. They're not use the averages. Let's look at this on the daily. Oh my goodness. Silver's eyeballing that $60 level. Oh man. Poor silver. Poor freaking silver beat the crap out of. All right, let's take a look at silver. But before we do that, we kind of come over to my favorite segment over here on X. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's actually have to scroll down to it. Hey, look at this trend. Look at him cheering it up, man. He's like, he's touching grass. He's drinking some beer. Look how clear this one is compared to this one's all nice up fog. Oh, bro, that looking good. Michael Saylor, he's running, man. He said he don't give a crap. He's gonna run till he's done. He's buying more. He's buying more. Hey, it's my stream from yesterday. Boop. We liked it. Kevin Warsh. Boop, we liked that too. Tether. Where is this at? I gotta pin it up to the top. I don't like scrolling through X. I mean, I can show you guys everything. It's great though. Guys, if you haven't already, use our link for BTCC. You get 40% of your trading fees back to you. No KYC, no VPN. They are a good exchange out there to trade with. Plus, if you use our link, they give you 10% of your deposit with a minimum of 500 to an upwards of 100 grand. You get anywhere between $50 and $10,000 bonus on top of just creating the account. You get the $100 bonus. So go over there, have fun with it, figure it out, trade with BTCC, and take a look at it. And also, if you don't want to use BTCC or you have one already, that account, you can head over to here. We also got a BitFi one. They don't have a deposit bonus right now, but they also have no KYC, no VPN, US friendly. You save 20% when you link or on your trading fees using our link. So, you know, hey, why not? You know, if you want to learn to trade, it's time to short the markets, man. Or maybe you make a scalp trade long and just rock and roll, man. Just absolutely rocking and rolling. Boop, we'll go back in the chart. Should have opened a short. Yeah, Dingle, man. Daniel, bro. Dash going back over to 100. It might be a while. It might be a while, Daniel. I was telling you Dash is going down. Yeah. Well, Dash actually looks okay today. Like, of all the coins that we looked at, Dash kind of looks like one of the better ones for the long. Maybe because I exposed MM moves. Maybe. Are you saying you expose MM crypto? Or are you just saying moves? That one came through though. Whatever you said about Sunday, you didn't like you talking about Sunday. It said small pump. Like, no, we got banned. He's talking dirty. Dingle should have opened a short. Yeah, bro. Right. Look at silver though. It's interesting how we can spend so much time climbing up and then we give it back in 2 days. I don't know how that happens, but it does, man. It really does. This is the 12-hour momentum. Does not. It came down lower than this previous wave. It does look like we are going to pump lower on silver. 4-hour, boom, 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 boom. We broke below. We came right back up to that 200 moving average, guys. We did get a little bit curvature view up. We might get a slight movement up, before we go lower. Maybe 100 was resistance. Now it might be support, or no, other way around. Sorry, it was support. Now it might be resistance. Stairs up, escalator down, dude. Right? It's like straight off a cliff. Double green dot. Get some bullish, not bullish momentum coming in. I thought we might have bullish momentum. Nope, take it back. I don't like this VWAP either. It's not very strong. Not very strong. We're still in the red. Dude, that was a nasty day for silver, bro. Holy cow. Look at that wick, dude. On the daily, whoosh, right to the 50 moving average. Oh, mama. Mama just killed a man. You know, you could be eyeballing, like, realistically, if this continues, which it probably will, it's like $53 silver. I'm just kind of like surprised how fast silver moved in the market, dude. Look at that money flow. It's been so thick. Yeah, it's getting real close to topping right about now, man. It is really close. At least I think so. Maybe I'm wrong. Gold at 50. Gold went to 5,600 and wants to come back down a little bit to reality, though. It's still pretty thick in the money. It doesn't look nearly as bad as silver. Silver looked beaten down, man. But silver went down to the 50 moving average. Gold only came back down to 21. We did get that leg and red dot, though. There it is, that leg and red dot. On the daily 12-hour, we got it right here. 12-hour, if you paid attention, could have saved yourself a little bit more money. Could have sold a low of 5,000 instead of being at 46. Now at, I also have like 5,000 again. All right, how close are we to getting our close? Platinum is down too, a decent amount. Platinum, you can look at platinum. The lower high, and it just dropped right. Fell through this bullish pennant. Just fell right through it. Fell below the 50 MA. I mean, platinum's kind of eyeballing like an $1,800 level. It still looks like it's gonna fall another $400. BTC, we got 7 minutes to get the monthly close. Are you guys excited? You know, I've been talking so long that we haven't really got any more likes, but the people viewing have been going down, so therefore our likes are up to where the watches are at. Oh my goodness, guys. I can't wait, man, to get this weekly data. Right now, Bitcoin's weekly data is at 84,000. We're at 78. Isn't it funny how we always drop real close to the end of the candles? I don't know why that always seems to be like, we'll pump at the middle and we drop at the end. Let's take a look at ADA, Cardano, 29 cents, guys. Cardano's at 29 cents on the average on the monthly. Oh my gosh, dang, dude, 29 cents. Remember it was like a buck, like back in May, a year and a half ago. Just stinking crazy, dude. Remember that $3.50, dude? Money flow's coming in. It's still looking good. We have a little bit of resistance off that 50 moving average. 1 hour view up looks good. Money flow's looking good. We have swing down. I don't think we have to swing up. Strength Stokes look good. Doesn't look like it's done yet. 4 hour. Yeah. Not crazy about it. Stokes, strength, kind of doing its thing. We could get a relief rally right here. I mean, that's totally possible. This doesn't look like it, though. The 6 hour does not look like this. The top, and it's going to start working its way down. I just don't quite bite it yet. Swinging down, dude. Oof, those candles. Where's Cardano support at? I need to stretch back. Oh my gosh, dude, you really serious? Last time it was down here was in 2020. We likes this level right here, okay? 24 cent, does not want to break it. And it also has like a zone of like 30 cents, right where we're at right now. Throw one right in the middle. And the mouse pad's all janky right now. Fix it. Dude, it fell straight below down to the 29 cent level. A little bit at the bottom, like 27, dude. Oh man, dude, Dash looks like it's going down to 34. Potential bounce at 65, but BTC keeps bleeding, then it will keep dropping with everything else. Dude, that's exactly where I'm at too, Dingle. I thought, where's Dash at? I feel like Dash could get a little bit more of a move though. Where's D A B C D? I drew a price target of on Dash of 38, and then a low of 33-ish, 32. So I'm kind of like in the same ballpark as you, man. Like we gotta at least get down to 38, and then we fall through that, then we'll head into this zone, and we fall through that zone, then we're heading to 25. All right, let's take a look, guys. We gotta get that monthly close coming close. 5 more minutes. Jeez, man. I want it so bad. Hit that monthly close. We got 3 minutes. Can we just hang out and wait right here? Let's end the chart. Thing. We got Volkanovski favored. I like my Lopez guy, but we'll see how it works. Last time it bounced 50% retrace. Ew, that's gross. 50% retrace. Are you kidding me, Dingle? Put another pull up. Bearish Feb or bearish Feb or I think I did this one already. All right, 3 minutes left. 3 months is still ways away. I'm kind of curious what's this 6 month say. I never pulled data this far old. It's kind of interesting to see like the 6 month candle. You're like, oh, look at that trend reversal. It does. Bitcoin is eyeballing the $45,000 level. It is 100% all in the 6 month time frame. It's pretty crazy on the 6 month time frame that we're currently averaging 84,900 because how much time we spent above in the 100K rate level. It is kind of wild. You can't say it's not. I think BTC will go back to 80 because there is a big CME gap. Now that's what I was talking about this morning on X. I said there's a big ass CME gap. It's kind of nice to fall on the weekends, but yet again, we might feel that CME gap in a year, Dingle. Like But that being said, 80 is really not that far away because BTC that's like $410. But Bitcoin grow that fast. I mean, think about how fast silver went up and how fast silver went down. I mean, that was $1 trillion. But think about that. Silver lost precious metals lost $6 trillion in like 2 candles. Okay, right? So even when crypto's like, let's say 40 trillion market cap, who's to say we can't drop, 6 trillion overnight like that? I think a lot of people rule it out. They're like, the market can't do that. There's not enough money in the world to do that. I'm like, dude, if I hear that argument ever, I'm like, you're wrong. You're 100% wrong. It's not how it works. It's not. Like, Bitcoin moves so quick and so easy right now. And silver apparently moves quick and easy when it wants to move quick and easy. It's crazy, man. When there's not a lot of manipulation, it can be violent, bro. I mean, clearly. We saw that yesterday. So we go back and take the liquidity and all the shorts before sending it down to 71K lowest next. Yeah, man. Yeah, I mean, how long have you been here, Dingle? You've been following us for some time. I mean, we've been bearish since October, for sure. I even flicked a little bit bearish back in September. We got 40 seconds left. Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. What, Kaya? My dog. This is my good dog right now. She's usually the shit eater in the household, but she stopped doing that. Thank goodness. We got 17 seconds left. 15, 14. Let's get this monthly candle going, man. Probably drop below that 21. Yeah, let's do it. We'll break just a little. It's crazy that we had the 2 drops between yesterday and today, but it really won't be that bad. Like, Here it comes. All right. Here we come. Let's get that drop. Let's get it. There we go. Boom, baby. On a monthly candle close. 4 months deep in the red. You know, actually, this isn't that bad of drops compared to like silver. You know, silver went up like this and it tanked like in 2 days, a day, down to the 50 MA. So this isn't that terrible, to be honest with you. Monthly, man. Whew. There we go. Look at the momentum. Dude, money flow still coming down. But I do see something that's kind of good. So this doesn't change my overall prediction, but look at the VWAP. There's a little bit of curvature right there. I mean, right, the previous month you didn't know where it was at. We did a slight move up, just very slightly. I like that. You know, a slight move up. I mean, granted, it could still bend down because we haven't confirmed anything, but if we could hold 75K, 70K level until next month, you know, we might get like some curvature to the upside. Now, money flow is still coming down. Momentum's still deep, dude. It's still deep. Don't tell me it's not. Okay, Stokes' strength is still flying lower, but the VWAP's the only thing that I've seen a little bit of like glimpse of a pump. So like over here, we had a little bit of a glimpse where it kind of came down and we flipped again and we had another pump. Well, we could get a little bit of pump out of here. You know, maybe we'll come back up to 95 before we have a few more months, which seems likely. You know, if a bear market lasts a year, we're not gonna go down for 12 months straight, right? So this might be good. This might be okay. Yeah, I know. I totally agree with you, Dingle. Bearish div though. Got the swing down and swing up. We got the bearish div on the 3 month. On the 3 month, we've talked about that several times. You know, swing up right here. Boom, bam, clear as day, dog. Clear as day. And I was bearish before I even saw this chart. We got the weekly too. Did we get the 2 week today? Oh, that's tomorrow. Okay, so we just got the monthly. Okay, man. That's interesting. What's the dominance saying? Bitcoin on the monthly chart. I'm not saying a whole lot, man. Not saying a whole lot. Dude, I really thought this uptrend would just break down way harder compared to like over here. You know, we were up so hard. I really thought we would have the altcoin season, and it just didn't want to come. We get the 8-day tomorrow too. Oh, interesting. The 8-day, the weekly, the 2 week all in on the same day. Bitcoin dominance says that it wants money to come into Bitcoin. 5-day. We haven't even got down to the 200. We got to flip bearish, bro. It just happens. It has to come down. We have to break below it and hang out below it for a while. It doesn't mean like, I mean, we could go like this. You know, we could dump down to right where I'm thinking, you know, 15, let's say 59,000. We dump down to 59. We could go like this, hang out down here, 67.50, 67.50, and then we kind of do that. Make our move up, you know, and then we create a high or low above this zone right there. Then from there, we go like this. We kind of break a higher zone, trade sideways. We use it as support. Boom. Now we're off to the races. We're kind of doing this again. Oof. And Bitcoin's off, man. I know. As soon as George told me, he was like, Bitcoin's going to 200,000 bull market, 250,000. I'm like, dude, that seems so bullish. It just doesn't seem likely. And I've stuck to that the whole time, man. I was like, dude, I don't know. I like George for his news. I don't like him for his TA. That was my thing. So, yeah, guys, cool. We did it, man. We lasted the whole time. We have 50-50 for bearish February for Bitcoin. Half you guys think yes, half you guys think no. I'm in the club, but I just don't know, man. I'd probably lean bearish. The whole market's down, dude. It's just an ouch day. Ouch, ouch, ouch. I know. Beam down 7.8%. This thing's still a thing. Oh my goodness, that's just been a downtrend forever and ever and ever and ever. Pippin down, fat stack, man. Oh my goodness, Pippin was hot as hot could be. Double topped right there. You could have been shorting that from right there, man. That made some good gains. Oof. Luna Classic. Where's Pippin at? I actually kind of look at Pippin real quick. Look at the daily. Oh yeah, double top right there. You could have held that short all the way down. Money flow. Look at the money flow. Just we're actually coming down. We're at support. Still coming down more. Still coming down more. Just breaking below the 12-hour. Yeah, Pippin's eyeball in the 6 cent level. Oof. Ouch. All right, guys. Let's freaking watch some UFC. Let's Lopez go, man. Let him crush it. We want him to win. If not, Volkanovski, I'm okay with that too. Keep his title. It'll be a good show. You guys have a great night. I want to thank you, Mr. Dingle, for coming in here. Mr. Francisco for coming in here. Mr. GIG TV for coming in here. Daniel Kaufman coming in here. Not only did we get GIG on YouTube, but we also had him on Kick. Thank you, John, for coming on in here. May your days be blessed, everybody. Amelia, thank you for coming on in here. Flat Smack, thank you for coming on in here, guys. It's Saturday. Real Meta, thank you for coming on in here. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Enjoy your family. Life is quick, and I'm saying that because I'm a young, old man now, and dude, it does go quick. And my kids, my oldest is like 7 or 8, and I love every single day with him. But I'm like, dude, stop growing up so fast, man. I love enjoying the time, and just time is short and precious. And guys, guess what? This is just like a weird, awkward vacation from heaven. If you believe in the Lord and Savior like I do myself, we'll be there back someday, and I can't wait to hang out with you guys and party and praise the Lord, and we'll do all in the group together. Well, money doesn't even matter anymore, either does crypto. So hang on to your seatbelt and just enjoy it. All right, guys, we're back tomorrow for the weekly close. We have the monthly close today, and see where we land up. Hey, maybe the weekly shows will pump action coming in for February, and February is like one of those upper months. All right, guys, be blessed. T-Square out. Oh my goodness, Trent! I can't believe you went to that brew and have that place and all that good stuff without me. Oh my goodness, I'm coming right now. I'm running. It's in California.